Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I have my perfume or my fragrance subscription here. And so if you're interested in seeing what I got from Scentbox, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well and in high spirits. And today, as I said, I have my Scentbox subscription here, and this is my fragrance subscription that I receive monthly. And these are $14.95 each, or you can get actually two at the maximum, and you could have premium or regular type, and they do differ in prices. I believe it's $19.95 if you get the premium package, and it is $14.95 for your regular package. But then again, you can always pick premium and they can upcharge you as well. And they're very well worth it. And a little bit about the company. Scentbox, unlike Scentbird, actually allows for one return a month. And so you can return a fragrance if you don't like it, and they'll send you another one. You can choose another one. And as well as they go ahead and it's free to ship back and forth, and so it's not a problem at all. And another thing that I noticed is that you earn rewards very quickly with Scentbox, and every time I fill out a survey, I get a discount, 15% for a full-size bottle, as well as each time a subscription ships, $4.95 comes back to me. So it's really not costing me that full price. And so, yeah, and now I think I have like almost $60 in reward. So I can use that towards a full bottle. I'm just saving it. Or I can use it towards the single ones, and I could get like, how many of those? 6 of these? And so, yeah, it's really worth it. And I did go ahead and cancel the Scentbird. One plus about Scentbird, I'll tell you, is their website is easy to navigate, and it's actually aesthetically pleasing. Whereas Scentbox is pretty much, it sticks to what you need, and just it's a minimalist type of website, which I appreciate as well. So that's that. And so, and another thing too, they do not send cards like Scentbird does, but they're trying to be environmentally aware, and so they do actually give you the information on electronically, and you can look for it as you order them. And so I didn't know that. I was struggling one time. So, without any further ado, let's go ahead and open it and see what I got. Oh, I cut through the whole envelope this time. I like to actually save these because these are actually pretty and you can reuse it. Oh, no, I think I could still reuse it. What the heck? Yeah, cut through, see? Yeah. Oh, well. Okay, so inside they will always give you the, your receipt, your packing slip in case you need to return anything. And yeah. And then let's see, and they come in a very easy box like this. And another thing that's different about Scentbox is that you get these atomizer containers with every shipment, with every perfume without extra charge. Whereas Scentbird, you don't get it, though they do send it in a cardboard tube. So yeah, that's a difference too. And I like to be able to have that. And so the two fragrances I actually, since I pulled it out, and here they are. And they're two different fragrances. And let me see which is which, because I already have the Black Orchid perfume. And this is actually, here it is, Black Orchid perfume. I mean, you know what? I got to spray this because I have the Black Orchid. It's not the perfume, but it is like a light something, but it's not toilette either. It's weird. So anyway, and it's, oh my God, this scent is just like so amazing to me. It is so amazing. And it's called Black Orchid Perfume by Tom Ford. Okay, it's quite expensive to get the full size one, so I kind of order the little ones here. Okay, the Black Orchid Perfume by Tom Ford is a oriental floral fragrance for women and men. Black Orchid Perfume was launched in 2020. Top notes are truffle and plum. Middle notes are ylang ylang, rum, and black orchid. Base note is patchouli. It's patchouli. Okay, that's it. Yeah, and so this is like, wow, this fragrance is just out. Yeah, it's out of the world. And I mean, it is just so, it smells so, I don't know. It's not like floral like you get from like Juicy or from Dolce Gabbana, the garden, or anything like that. It's not. It's very subtle floral, but it's very, it smells fancy, in other words. You know, it's so beautiful. You can wear it in the evening. You could wear it to work too, but I mean, people will be like, wow, what is that? And this is so oily, I just noticed. I put it on, it's like very oily, and this is very concentrated. And it is so nice. And so, yeah, if you guys like that oriental, ylang ylang and patchouli smell, but not too heavy on a patchouli, because I love patchouli, but I don't like it when it's heavy-handed and it smells like, I just walked out of Berkeley. And so, yeah. Nothing against people from Berkeley. I mean, Berkeley people are like next door. I live right there by Berkeley, but they're totally into patchouli and myrrh, and so everywhere you go in their shops, you can smell it. And so that's the only reason why I said that. Okay, and let's see the next one here. What did I get? And this is okay. Here we go. I can't pronounce this one. I don't think. Hold on. It is. Oh no. This is the La Vie Est Belle Intense. It's that what is that? Shoot, I have foundations by her. Let me look here. And okay, it is okay. It's this one. Yeah. Why can't I remember who makes this? Lancome. Yeah, Lancome. And I don't usually order perfume from like cosmetic companies that are like heavily on cosmetics but not so much on perfumes. But I was really curious because this came with a very high rating. And yeah, it says here in August 2015, Lancome launched a new version of La Vie Est Belle fragrance from 2012. La Vie Est Belle Eau de Perfume Intense, that's what it is, announces more dense and deep version with tuberose and gourmand flavors. Flavors? Wouldn't it be scents? Or fragrances? Okay, that's okay. The composition is signed by Dominique Ropion and Anne Filippo. It opens with a combination of bergamot, orange, pear, pink pepper, and blackcurrant buds. The heart is made of intense flowers like iris padilla, tuberose, ylang ylang, sandbag, jasmine, and orange blossom. The base features hazelnut cream accord. That sounds really fruity. Hold on here. Oh, no, where's my tissue? Give me 1 second. Okay, here's the tissue. Oh, yeah, and I wanted to share this with you. Last time I did this, and I had mentioned that, don't worry, I don't throw the tissue away. I sometimes put it in different places in the house. And Rhonda, I hope you don't mind me sharing this. She has a really good idea. Is if you're going to wear that perfume and you sprayed it, she tucks it into her shirt. Yeah, so that way... yeah, it doesn't go away, and it's really nice. Great idea. It's better than putting it in an underwear drawer, right? So, anyway. Okay. Oh, yeah, this is definitely. You know what this smells like? To be honest with you? I don't know if you're familiar with the a perfume Poison. This is exactly what the original Poison smells like. This is not bad. This is not bad because I used to love Poison, but wow. It does have, I mean, there's not a whole lot of woodiness. I like things with a wood base, but this is definitely a floral base, floral everything, but it's very nice. Wow. I'm actually impressed, Lancome. Who knew? I think this is a perfume that was advertised with the spokesperson was Julia Roberts. I remember seeing her with this bottle, I think. Yeah? Maybe. Okay. But no, this is not bad at all. Hey. Huh. Okay. I'm impressed. All right. Yeah, and I'm picky about fragrance too, so this is not bad. I mean, to be honest with you, between the Tom Ford and this one, the scents are just as good. It's just different. It's just different. Yeah, and I'm so glad because I actually did end up returning the Dolce & Gabbana, the one. I didn't like that one last time, and then I have another one coming. I just can't remember which one I replaced it with. But anyway, yeah, yeah, I just want to let you know that. And like I said, it's very easy to return. Just get on the computer and say, I'm returning this, give me this. And then just shoom. And then just, you don't pay for anything. You just print the information, stick it in the envelope, tape it back, and you send it to them. So just like that. So anyway, my beautiful flowers. Flowers? See, I got flowers in the head. Anyway, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the fragrances. And, you know, do you get a fragrance subscription? If so, which one do you get? And what do you like about that one? And also, I'll go ahead and leave a link below in case you're interested in trying it. Because if you use the link below, you can get a free one without any commitment. And so, yeah, and then they'll send you one free, and then you'll have to fill out a profile, though, so that way, you know, they know that what to make recommendations for. So I'll go ahead and drop it below, and if you're interested, go ahead and order it, and you'll get a free one of these. I don't get paid for it, but I do get I get a coupon, I think, yeah, for one of these as well. So, yeah, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please hit like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, as usual, please do consider subscribing. We have fun here. And please join the Wildflower family. Okay? And so, without further delay, I'm going to let you guys go because you guys are probably pretty busy. But I want to say thank you so much, okay, for being here with me and spending your moments with me. So, I want you to have a good day, have a good night, have a good week, or weekend whenever you're watching this. But always remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.